Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about ginger for weight loss. In a world obsessed with weight loss, numerous strategies and products claim to offer miraculous results. However, amidst the clutter, a natural ingredient has emerged as a potential ally in the quest for a healthier body: ginger. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will explore the science behind ginger's impact on weight loss, its mechanism of action, and effective ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. So, grab a cup of ginger tea and let's dive into the world of ginger for weight loss. 1. Understanding ginger, nature's gift. Ginger contains essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium, and potassium. Additionally, ginger boasts powerful antioxidants and bioactive compounds, including gingerol, shogal, and zingerone. Gingerol, the primary bioactive compound in ginger, is responsible for many of its health benefits. It possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. These properties are particularly relevant in the context of weight loss, as inflammation and oxidative stress can hinder metabolic processes and impede weight management. Furthermore, gingerol has been shown to have thermogenic effects on the body. This means that it can increase the body's core temperature and stimulate metabolism, leading to higher calorie expenditure and potential weight loss. 2. Ginger's impact on metabolism. Metabolism plays a crucial role in weight management. The rate at which our bodies burn calories and convert them into energy determines whether we gain, maintain, or lose weight. Ginger has been shown to enhance metabolism, making it an appealing option for those aiming to shed pounds. Additionally, ginger has been found to stimulate the body's energy expenditure. This means that the body burns more calories even at rest when ginger is included in the diet. By enhancing metabolic rate, ginger can contribute to weight loss by promoting greater calorie burn throughout the day. 3. Ginger's effect on appetite and satiety. Ginger has been found to possess appetite-suppressing properties, making it a valuable tool in weight loss efforts. Research suggests that ginger can regulate the production of ghrelin, a hormone responsible for signaling hunger in the body. By suppressing ghrelin production, ginger can help curb appetite, reduce the urge to overeat, and prevent unnecessary snacking, ultimately supporting weight loss goals. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and enhances gastric motility, aiding in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. This improved digestion and nutrient absorption can contribute to a greater sense of satisfaction after meals, reducing the need for excessive calorie consumption. 4. Ginger's impact on digestion and nutrient absorption. Optimal digestion and nutrient absorption are essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Ginger contains an enzyme called zingibane, which aids in the breakdown of proteins and supports efficient digestion. Furthermore, ginger has been shown to enhance gut motility, the movement of food through the digestive system. Improved digestion and gut motility facilitated by ginger can also contribute to weight loss by reducing feelings of discomfort and promoting a healthier gastrointestinal environment. 5. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties and weight loss. Ginger contains bioactive compounds, such as gingerol, that possess strong anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce the production of pro-inflammatory substances in the body, mitigating chronic inflammation. By reducing inflammation, ginger can address underlying factors that contribute to weight gain and metabolic dysfunction. Insulin resistance can lead to weight gain and difficulty in losing weight. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, ginger helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports weight management. 6. Ginger's impact on blood sugar levels and weight management. Balanced blood sugar levels are crucial for weight management and overall health. Ginger has been found to have a positive impact on blood sugar regulation, making it a valuable tool in supporting weight loss goals. Research suggests that ginger can help regulate blood glucose levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity and improving glucose metabolism. By improving insulin sensitivity, ginger facilitates the uptake and utilization of glucose by cells, preventing its accumulation in the bloodstream. Furthermore, ginger has been found to inhibit enzymes involved in carbohydrate digestion and absorption. This inhibition slows down the breakdown of complex carbohydrates into glucose, resulting in a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. By preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, Ginger helps regulate appetite, prevent cravings, and promote a more balanced energy state in the body. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for weight management as they reduce the likelihood of overeating and excessive calorie intake. 7. Practical ways to incorporate ginger into your routine. Now that we have discussed the science behind ginger's potential for weight loss, let's explore some practical and delicious ways to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. Ginger tea, smoothies, stir-fries and curries, salad dressings, ginger-infused water, baked goods. Remember to start with small amounts of ginger and gradually increase as per your taste preferences. Fresh ginger is recommended for optimal flavor and health benefits, but powdered ginger can be used as well if fresh ginger is not available. Conclusion: incorporating ginger into your daily routine not only adds a flavorful element to your meals and beverages but also provides potential weight loss benefits. Ginger, with its unique flavor and remarkable health benefits, holds great promise as a natural aid for weight loss. Its thermogenic effects, impact on metabolism, appetite suppression, digestive support, anti-inflammatory properties, blood sugar regulation, and practical versatility make it a valuable addition to any weight loss regimen. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.